back on YouTube. This is my first video since I can even remember. I don't know when the last time was I talked on camera. Oof, this hair is so big. Yeah, it's my first video back. I'm super excited and I didn't want to film this morning. I went to a party yesterday and I wasn't feeling so well, but I decided to just go with it and film, and I'm really happy with how this look turned out. I used the Urban Decay Born To Run palette again. I really enjoy that palette. It has so many different shades and textures in it, and it's great to work with, and it's highly pigmented, so a really good palette to invest in if you ask me. I think that might be it. I'm really happy with how this look turned out. I hope you enjoy it too. If you have any requests for the next videos, then leave them in the comment section and I'll have a look. And that's it for now, I think. So let's just get right into the tutorial. Okay, so I already have my brows on, my eyeshadow base on. I use the Plouise base in the shade 0.5. And I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Born To Run palette for this look. I'm thinking for the crease, I may use this shade right here and a little bit of that orange, because I think that orange might look really nice with the green tones. But I will be focusing mainly on this shade for the crease. So I've decided to get back into YouTubing because I don't feel... Oh, I'm using the Morphe M504 brush in my crease. I feel like on Instagram I can't really show you my personality and tell you about the products. Of course I can write about them, but I can't just talk and actually express myself. So I wanted to get back into YouTube to do that more. So I'm mixing the shades Riff and Baya, those two shades I just pointed out. So I'm going to be doing a spotlight eye. So combining those two shades, inner and outer corner and crease area. And as you can see, that Plouise base really makes sure there's all the pigment you need. And I'm trying to keep it kind of rounded, because that's what I like with a spotlight eye. This is the Morphe M518, this shade right here. And as you can see, the shades are super pigmented. They do have a little bit of fallout, but that might also be because I did have a lot packed on my brush. Grabbing that same brush I used in the crease that already has those warm colors on it, and just trying to blend out the edges. Going back in with one of those fluffy brushes that only have the warm shades, and blending those together again. Okay, so I think that's blended enough for now. And now we're going to be going in with those green shades finally. So there's a darker green and a lighter green, this one. And I'm going to be focusing the light green Big Sky in the center of the eye and Wanderlust a little bit more outward. So to really get the pigment I want, I'm going to be using a little bit of MAC Fix Plus on my brushes, starting off with Big Sky and placing that right in the center. Oh, that's pigmented. So that's the Big Sky. I'm going to be going in with the other side of that same lid brush, and that is the Anastasia A2 brush, and using Wanderlust on the outsides of the halo. Going over top of the edges. I just got rid of most of my fallout, and now we're going to be starting off with the base. I usually do brows first, I already had those on, then eyes, then base, then finish off the eyes, and then lips. For primer, I'm using my Benefit POREfessional just on these areas right here where I do have bigger pores. So now that I have my primer on, I'm going to be going in with the NARS Sheer Glow foundation. Oh, that's dirty. I'm blending that in using a beauty blender as always. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade Fair. For bronzer, I'm going to be going in with my Urban Decay Beached Bronzer. And I am really pale, so I have to be careful with bronzer because it can look muddy or a little bit too dark for me very quickly. From the Urban Decay Sin palette, I'm going to be using these two blushes. This one and that one on a Zoeva 127 brush. So for the convenience, I'm also going in with this highlighter that's inside the palette. And I am kind of annoyed because the colors of on camera do look a little bit different than they really are off camera. So that's annoying. Cupid's bow, tip of the nose, chin a little bit, and for the lower lash line, mixing this shade and that one. Alright, so I think my lashes are on, not sure, maybe they'll let loose. But these are the Lulu lashes Babydoll, and I already think I've decided on a lip, but I'm debating if that might be too dark. I usually always do glossy nude lips when I do a dark eye, so. Okay, so I've decided to leave on this lip. That's the Ofra liquid lipstick. I do have a discount code on Ofra for my Dutch and Belgian followers. Boozyshop.com. I'll link the website in the description box. You'll get 20% off all Ofra products with my code Juliet20, so that's a nice deal. And I guess then we have a finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really do hope the quality is alright. I'll see that in editing soon. But yeah, it was my first video back since I don't know when, so kind of exciting and nerve-wracking, but I really hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.